Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to infer that plant and animal adaptations help them survive in land and aquatic biomes. So this is our objective for today, and what I wanted to do is just review some vocabulary for this objective. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to take the knowledge you have learned about adaptation and your background knowledge to make correct statements about how adaptation helps an animal or plant survive. So we're going to review some vocabulary. The first word that we need to review is adaptation. Everybody say adaptation. Adaptation is the features that help an organism survive in a particular environment. Here we can see the porcupine has its quills to help it survive. The geese migrate to warm places to help them survive. We have the different bird beaks that help them survive and feed themselves. And then we also have the eel, who has a light on the top of his head so that he can survive in the deep, dark ocean. These are all adaptations. The next word I'd like to review is camouflage. Everybody say camouflage. Camouflage is an adaptation that allows animals to blend in with their surroundings. Animals use this adaptation to hide from predators and to sneak up on prey. So here we can see there's a rabbit. He's white and he's surrounded by the snow, and he blends into the snow so that he can survive and hide from predators. Other predators, like a lion, actually their fur blends into the background grasses so that they can sneak up on their prey. The next word I wanted to go over is mimicry. That's a tough word. Go ahead and say mimicry for me. Mimicry. So mimicry is the action of resembling or acting like another organism in order to protect the organism from a predator. An adaptation that allows an animal to look or act like a stronger animal. This fakes its predators out by making them think they are poisonous. And here we have the two butterflies. One looks like the other, and they're mimicking the coloring so that they can survive. Now that we've reviewed some vocabulary, I wanted you to go ahead and click onto the next couple of videos that I have on the Canvas page. We're going to go over animal adaptation, then we're going to look at some plant adaptations, and then finally we're going to look at some of the common beaks that we find on birds and how those beaks help birds adapt. Once you finish that, you can go on to our practice page, and then after that you can complete the Mastery Connect quiz. Thank you.